Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are just going to see that what is notes on Instagram. So the Instagram just has created a new feature of notes. What this note just actually do? You can just add up your thoughts on your particular person or the just it feels like a story, but it is just in the written form. So what is that? And how you can just create that note? So let's get started without wasting our time. Just click on the that message on the right side which is present at the top. Click on that and here you can see that your note. You can just click on that and you can see that people won't be notified when you leave a note. Mean when they see your note, they can just reply within the 24 hours. After that, that particular message will be disappear. So what this note contain is just words on your mind, like what is going through your mind. You can just type it here and the person will just see and just can be replied within 24 hours, but after that it will not be shown on your profile. Like I just want to share the hottest day is today. I just want to share this as my thought. You can just see that there are two options, like followers you follow back and the close friends. You can share your this note with two persons. You can just share to all the followers which follows. You can just set it to the close friend, like I just set it for the close friend, and when you click on share it will be shared on the top like this. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you, and if you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.